I can't do it, Mom.
Want some help?
No, I do. La, 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 la.
There you go.
Mom.
That's awesome.
You
can do it. Yeah, you can. Come here. Do you know what these are?
Cow.
Mm-hmm. Oh, your big fat feet, huh? All right, hold on. Whoopsie. Hold on. I don't know, bud. Oh my goodness. You just got such big feet. What are we gonna do? These came all the way from Holland. Oh. Okay.
Get my other one.
I don't know if I can. Let me see. Okay, I need you to push. Come here. Where'd you get these big feet from? Big white feet.
Big.
Oh. They're like ballerina slippers, but they're cow shoes. All right, get up and dance. Let me see. Can you go squeak around?